Welcome to Dr. Health, your trusted source for all things health and wellness. Today, we're talking about an essential topic, pre- and post-Holi skincare. As we revel in the vibrant colors of Holi, let's not forget the potential skin damage caused by chemical colors and sun exposure. It's vital to safeguard our skin's health so we can enjoy the festivities without compromise. Now that you understand the importance of skincare during Holi, let's dive into some practical tips to help you protect and rejuvenate your skin. Before you indulge in the festival of colors, it's crucial to prepare your skin. Holi, while a fun-filled celebration, can expose our skin to harsh colors and the sun, potentially leading to damage, but don't fret. By following a few easy steps, you can protect your skin and enjoy the festivities to the fullest. Firstly, sunscreen is your best friend. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30, which will guard against both UVA and UVB rays. Remember, even if it's cloudy, up to 80% of the sun's harmful rays can penetrate your skin. So make sure to apply sunscreen generously on all exposed areas of your skin, at least 20 minutes before stepping out. Next, oiling your skin and hair is a traditional and effective way to form a protective layer. Using a natural oil like coconut or olive oil, gently massage it into your skin and hair. This creates a barrier between your skin and the colors, making it easier to wash them off later. Don't forget to pay special attention to areas like the back of your ears and beneath your nails, as these are often overlooked. Lastly, consider your clothing choices. Wearing full-sleeved clothes and covering as much of your skin as possible can significantly reduce exposure to harmful colors. Opt for light, breathable fabrics to stay comfortable throughout the celebrations. Now, this might sound like a lot, but it's about creating a routine that works for you. You don't need to do everything, but incorporating even a few of these steps can make a world of difference. It's all about balance and understanding what your skin needs. With these pre-Holi skincare tips, you're well equipped to enjoy the festival without worrying about skin damage. Remember, the key is to prepare, protect, and then, of course, to party. So here's to a joyful and skin-friendly Holi. After a day of fun and color, it's time to rejuvenate your skin. The vibrant hues of Holi can leave a lasting impact, not just on your memories, but also on your skin. Post-Holi skincare is as crucial as pre-Holi skincare, if not more. Let's talk about how to restore your skin's health after the celebration. First and foremost, resist the temptation to scrub away the color aggressively. This can harm your skin more than the colors themselves. Instead, opt for a gentle cleansing routine. Use a mild cleanser or a soap-free body wash to remove the color. It may take a couple of washes to get rid of all the color, but patience is the key here. Next, let's talk about hydration. Consuming plenty of fluids will help flush out toxins from your body and keep your skin hydrated from within. You can also use a hydrating face mask to replenish the lost moisture from your skin's surface. Don't forget about moisturizing. After a thorough cleanse, your skin might feel dry and stretched. To restore your skin's natural moisture, use a good quality moisturizer. If your skin is feeling particularly dry, you might want to opt for a heavier cream or a body butter. Now let's move on to the healing part. Holi colors can sometimes cause minor irritation or rashes. Natural ingredients like aloe vera and turmeric are known for their healing and anti-inflammatory properties. Apply aloe vera gel directly to your skin or use creams or lotions that contain these ingredients. Remember, your skin might need a little extra care and pampering after Holi, so don't shy away from using a nourishing face mask or treating yourself to a facial at your favorite salon. And lastly, don't forget about sunscreen. Even though Holi is over, your skin still needs protection from the sun, so continue to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 before stepping out. By following these post-Holi skincare tips, you'll help your skin recover and maintain its natural glow. So go ahead and enjoy the colors of Holi without worrying about your skin. Now that we've covered both pre- and post-Holi skincare, it's time for a quick recap. Before you step out to play Holi, remember to shield your skin. Sunscreen is your best friend, and a good moisturizer is a close second, creating a protective barrier against the harsh colors. Don't forget to apply petroleum jelly to your nails and lips, and oil your hair to prevent damage. After the celebrations, it's all about rejuvenation. Rinse off the color with plain water before you start with a gentle cleanser. This helps to reduce the damage. Then, a deep cleansing routine with a mild face wash is essential, followed by a hydrating mask or a nourishing home remedy like honey or yogurt. Remember, hydration is key, so drink plenty of water and moisturize your skin generously. But the most important tip of all? Enjoy the festival responsibly. Use organic colors where possible and avoid harsh chemicals that can damage your skin and hair. Remember, taking care of your skin during Holi is as important as enjoying the festival. So follow these tips and keep your skin healthy and radiant. Thank you for tuning in to Dr. Health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own skincare tips in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay happy,